This message is being transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. A unidentified humanoid origin, like animated creature, that was spotted killing people. This creature is described as a male, tall anthropomorphic imp with red fur, large bat-like wings, and small curled horns on his head. Typically wears a black suit with a red tie, and matching red shoes. He has a devilish appearance with a mischievous smirk and often carries a cigarette holder. Eyes are yellow with slit pupils, adding to his demonic aesthetic. Overall, he exudes a charismatic yet somewhat sinister charm. And this creature wants to start robberies, kill and shoot people, steal from cars, making people to be held hostage, and abduct young children. It is recommended that you stay in your homes. If you spotted this creature, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. Child abduction warning has been issued for Seattle. The suspect is described as age 8, 5 feet. The boy was last seen wearing brown hair, brown eyes, a black champion hat, a South Park t-shirt, with a green coat, and blue pants, with Nike shoes. And the boy is named Rick Davidson. It seems like the boy was kidnapped by the creature that was issued 5 hours ago. We also found information on what the creature named is. The creature is legally named Blitzo. If you see Blitzo, get away from it, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation.
Good afternoon, Fort Wayne. Today we have experienced some issues in Seattle. Please try to avoid this area until the situation is under control.
Good afternoon, Fort Wayne. The weather in Fort Wayne is cloudy with rain. Tonight, expect rain and winds through night and midnight at 55 degrees. Tomorrow, expect winds to be low, rain or thunderstorm is possible. Chance on rain, 20%.
You are now listening to Bad Habit by
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. A unidentified humanoid-like animated creatures that was spotted killing people. This might be the same situation happening in Seattle. The first creature is described as a female, purple anthropomorphic hellhound with a slender build, long ears, sharp teeth, and glowing yellow eyes, with blood on it. Typically wears a spiked collar around her neck. Fur is a deep shade of purple, and she often has a somewhat bored or aloof expression on her face. Overall, she has a sleek and slightly intimidating appearance, fitting her role as a hellhound. The second creature is described as a female, anthropomorphic hellhound, light purple fur, long ears, sharp teeth, and glowing yellow eyes like her counterpart. She typically wears a pink dress with a white apron, matching pink gloves, and a pink bow in her hair. The third creature is described as a male, an anthropomorphic imp with red fur and small curled horns on his head. Typically wears a white dress shirt with a black tie and black pants. He also wears round glasses and has a rather dapper appearance. Eyes are often depicted as yellow with slit pupils. He is usually seen with a serious or anxious expression, reflecting his more uptight and conscientious personality. And the first creature is named Luna, the second creature is named Mill, and the third creature is named Mogxi. If you see these creatures, dial 911 immediately. We have more information that they were teaming up with a creature named Blitzo, that it was issued in Seattle. And have come together in Fort Wayne and made a new team called the Immediate Murder Professionals. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation.
This is BBC One. We interrupted this program for a civil danger warning report. Please stand by.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the London Police Department. Reports of origin, like humanoid creatures that are animated. There are also reports of 2 creatures that are exterminating people all across from London. The first creature is described as a female, an adolescent avian demon with a rather lanky figure with unkempt slate-grey feathers, which forms into back-length and shaggy-styled hair with bangs. Her eyes sport pink sclera and bright white pupils, and her long pointed fingers are colored white. The second creature is described as a male, an anthropomorphic owl demon. Tall and slender, with a white, heart-shaped facial disc and small black beak, resembling that of an owl. 2 pairs of almond-shaped red eyes, one set atop the other, with no visible irises or pupils, albeit white highlights, grey-blue feathers, which gradients to dark grey-blue on his head and long, plume-like tail. He has a lighter grey-blue puff of fur on his chest. His limbs are long, thin, and black, and his feet are tipped with bird-like claws. If you see any one of these humanoid creatures in London, call the local authorities immediately. Stay tuned for more information on the air at this time.
Ce message est transmis à la demande de la préfecture de police de Paris. Une origine humanoïde, comme des créatures animées qui tuent les habitants de Paris. La première créature est décrite comme un mâle, un grand mâle, avec une tenue de bouffon. Ses yeux ont une sclère citron vert et des iris roses, ses dents sont bleu fluo et il a une queue de diablotin avec des rayures noires, cependant la bande au milieu est blanche. Ses bras et jambes cybernétiques sont rétractables, capables de s'étendre et de se plier bien plus que membres articulés normaux, un bonnet de bouffon rouge vif et bleu avec des cloches, une collerette blanche et un collier noir avec des cloches situées en dessous. Les motifs à rayures de son chapeau de bouffon ressemblent à ceux de ses cornes lorsqu'il était enfant. Étant asymétrique des 2 côtés. Le devant de sa tenue est rouge vif avec une bordure jaune en bas avec des cœurs jaunes, tandis que le dos est bleu vif avec une bordure blanche en base et des cœurs noirs. La deuxième créature est décrite comme un mâle, un grand démon couleur vives et costaud, d'une stature intimidante. Il a des bras longs et des jambes digitigrades, un haut de la poitrine large et une taille étroite, ainsi qu'une touffe de plumes de queue ressemblant à un coq qui ont 3 plumes de queue en faucille de couleur rouge, noir et blanc ivoire chacune. La tête est de couleur bleu foncé avec des plumes rouges et blanches qui dépassent d'une touffe sur la tête, et il a de grandes plumes qui courent jusqu'à la poitrine. Il a des yeux verts fluo brillants et une bouche sur sa tête principale. Il a une épaisse crinière de cheveux cyan, dans laquelle se trouvent respectivement 2 faces supplémentaires d'un bélier et d'un taureau sur les côtés droit et gauche, qui réagissent à ce qu'il dit et peuvent parler et chanter avec lui. Et il s'appelle Fizaroli et Asmo 2. Si vous voyez ces créatures n'importe où à Paris, contactez les autorités françaises locales. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations en ce moment.
登録が必要です。このメス、字は T、海、国家警備隊の OY、正により S、審されています。海味、ない生き物が生き物の道で人々を SASSH、したという、苦悩 H、国があり、この生き物は次の OY に説明されています。砂時計の姿をした。厚いピンク色、の肌をしたサキュバスの悪魔の女性。彼女は、先端が黒いサプ、ドゥ型の長いオートゥ。頭の上に黒い星の登録してください。デザインが施された先端が黒い一対の角を誇っています。左の肩が右より高い。彼女の背中には一対の翼があり、H、 との形に似た黒い斑点があります。右には白 D エントられた淡いピンク色の毛、彩、黄色の貝、膜、切れ長の D、K、長くて太いまつげが突き出ており、右目の下には CH、サナ H、9型ノーバイ M、9があります。登録が必要です。彼女はまた、膝までの長さの髪をオンブレホワイトに着色し、先端に向かって明るい色から暗い色にピンクの色合いが入っており、前髪には暗い色のストライプが入っています。そして、この生き物のお名前はギュエロシカ M？ でです。この生き物を見たら、日本の T？ 局に電話してください。詳しい J、H、ラジオでお知らせします。
매제제는 서울 봉웬 세뮤즐류와의 야치옹이 TTALA 지한송도에 분이더 알리진 애니미시언 생멀구오 개년 미외고인 인견이 용아이 셀렘듀율 버체브의 인질로 생고 ISSSUBANIDAI 생멀윤 다이UMGWA 계다이 시알미용도에 분이더 뷰벌규불엔 이알걸률 개진 할리할리해고 챙배엔 벌그윤 피불률 개진 임퓨 줄리고 키거 키운 자이 용제행제인 수키아스 주는 볼그 윤날렌세그 공매과이 이수는 넝어 슐리스 동공주의 이아더부고 뉴프즈대 나그세그 칼리거 이수는 넌율 젤령해분이더 제그윤 지암윤 카스사얌 이보 어네윤 노켈라운 볼그윤 흐웬골세그 이폴라이 게이듀에고 뮤덴 춤세그 송가순이 해네거 투아이아노워 ISSSUBANIDAA 발리제그 미알라이윤 솔지제그 휘용큐리아젠 슈테일로 지졸부지 졸레이시오 윌로 PPOD윤 펄그워 자웨일률 일런더 데비번 UI 임퓨워 돌리 휴구베그 절레뮤뉴 이페티어나이 듀얼지저그놀 지저엔 슈테일리 분이더 주는 TTOHAEN 밋비번이 지암윤세그 4개의 절레뮤뉴 이거 이스고 주 Y8개의 게이시거 절제이오 이스유미이오 KKOL 포큐 데닐 지암윤세그 절레뮤뉴 이거 이수는 긴 크칼릴률 JEALANGHAESSSUBANIDAI 생물률 이아다이즈 오딘 번데이미언 추그시 행고그 지뱅 자이용철 이알레이시오 뱅송이제오 디오메뇽 이아부디줄률 외고인헤이시.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Seoul Sheriff Office. An unidentified humanoid, like origin animated creature have been capturing people and hold them as hostage. This creature is described as a male, a slim, pale red-skinned imp with a serpentine-like face, and whose tall stature rivals. He sport eyes with bright yellow sclera and dark, swamp green rings around the slit pupils, a small black mustache, and a mouth full of sharp light tan teeth inside, with one dull gold fang sticking out. His ivory-colored hair is shortcut in a slightly messy style, which blends in with his horns that pointed upwards. Unlike most imps, the black and white stripe pattern is more jagged styled. He also sported a long tail with black 4 stripes at the base, 8 spines lined up on them, and a single black stripe on his tail fork. If you see this creature anywhere, contact the Korean local police immediately. Stay tuned for more update on the air.
ENW 第188 2 W D 191 5 HEJY ZHEKNENGFSHNGZAI 6 MIGUO YMGGUO FAGUO RIBNHEHANGUO ZHEZHNGSHNGW 3 BEIMAOSHUWBI YGENANXAMG YGERUANXAMGDE SIBIENO LEISIYUXLCHU YUNRHONGLDEWD 378 7 YMJNG SIHUGEMZHOHEFNGLIDENRHONG RLCH SHETOUSHIFNCH DE ZSCDE ZHISHO YUSNGE 4 SHNHUANGSEZULIY 16 7 TIAOWM DAIZHOSNRNRHONGLHESHN 双斜杠 W D 160 4 LSCXLCHUMAO LIMGDUNRUXLOMLUANFUHAO QIANMANRUGELEISI 8 9 HUANGGUANDEHISEQYU SHNCHUNBANSHNLBANNRHONGLDEXLCHULMG DBUXAMGYUHUANGSC 5 XAMGBIN XAMGYUHICZUANSHI ZHGESHNGW DEMAMGZISHI MMBN RUGUNKANDA ROZHGESHNGW QNGLINXITAIWNDNGDR 474 7 JH GENGDUXAMXJIMGSUIZHGR5 LAI V
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. An immediate evacuation warning has been issued for the San Francisco Bay Area. At approximately 9:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there have been many reports of a huge explosion what caused somewhere in the woods of the San Francisco Bay Area. There was a circus that exploded, causing a huge wildfire to be happening for the San Francisco Bay Area. There were strange reports of humanoid-like animated creatures coming out of the circus dead when they exited. All residents in the San Francisco area, please evacuate. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a radio station, devices such as iPhones, iPads, computers, or all devices that you have in your home. And do not go near the wildfire, or you're putting your life in danger. Houses may be burned down if possible. Stay tuned for updates regarding this situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Blitzo, Moxxi, Millie, and Luna, also known as immediate murder professionals, has got in contact with their dangerous leaders, and they have been spawned dangerous demons. And they have been invaded 20 states in the country. These states include California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Kansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, Iowa, North Carolina, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Delaware, and New Jersey. If you live in any of these states, please evacuate or seek underground shelter immediately. The abducted child, Rick Davidson, was found dead on the street. He is believed to be killed by immediate murder professionals. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation. We interrupted our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The immediate murder professionals and all of the creatures that was issued around the world have invaded Earth, as well with the demons. Everyone on Earth, please seek underground shelter immediately. Our planet has been taken over with these creatures. We will update you very soon on this situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. All of the countries has sent their military to destroy the creatures. However, they have went back to where they belong when they surrendered. We won the massacre. This emergency has concluded. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this emergency. However, it will take days to rebuild the damage that they caused. We can now return to normal programming. All clear.